lesson number 62, Algebra for class 8, volume 1, English, application number 66F, solve for R. R said real number, x minus 6 divided 5 at 6 at 2 divided 10, less or equal for x minus 1 divided 40. 5 10 equal 5 minus 2, 40 equal 8 multiply 5 equal 2 power 3, 5. The least common multiple equal 2 power 3 multiply 5 equal 40. Uh, 40 divided 5 equal 8, 40 divided 10 equal 4, 4 divided 40 equal 1, amplification factor. X minus 6 divided 5 at 6, 6 at 2 divided 10, less or equal for x minus 1 divided 40. 8 divided x minus 5 divided 40, add 4 multiply 6 at 2 divided 40, less or equal 4x minus 1 divided 40, multiply 40, remain numerator 4 multiply x minus 6 at 4, 8 multiply x minus 6 at 4, 6 at 2, less or equal for x minus 1, 8x minus 48 at 20, 4x at 8, less or equal for x at 1, 32x minus 40, less or equal for x minus 1, for x at 1, minus 1. 32x minus 4x, less or equal for 40 minus 1, 28x, less or equal 39 divided 28x, less or equal 39 divided 28. X belong minus infinite 39 divided 28. Solution. Application number 66G, solve for R. R said real number, x at 6 less or equal 0, 4x minus 1 less or equal 8, x less or equal minus 6, 4x less or equal 8 at 1, x belong minus infinity minus 6, x less or equal 9 divided 4, x belong minus infinity minus 6, x belong minus infinity 9 divided 4, intersecting interval, result x belong minus infinity minus 6. Solution. Application number 66 hash, solve for R. X divided 4 minus 6 less or equal x at 4 divided 2, 6 multiply x at 3 less or equal x minus 2, x minus 4x divided 4 less or equal 2 multiply x at 4 divided 4 multiply 4, 6 at 18 less or equal x minus 2, minus 3x remain 4 remain numerator less or equal 2x at 8, 6x minus 6 less or equal minus 2 minus 18, minus 3x less or equal minus 2x at 8, 5x less or equal minus 20, 3x minus 2x less or equal 8, 5x less or equal minus 20, 5x less or equal 8, 5x less or equal minus 20, x greater or equal minus 8 divided 5, x less or equal minus 20 divided 5, x major or equal minus I divided 5, x less or equal minus 4. Result, x belong minus 8 divided 5 infinite, x belong minus infinite 4 in equation, solution equation second. Intersect interval and result empty set. Application number 60. (6a) Solve for R. Module x at 16 greater 0. Module explained. Yx equal fx equal x at 16. Equation D. Intersect equation D o x axis. D intersect axis o x. Yx equal fx equal x at 16. Rate D. Y equal 0 is the equation of axis o x. 0 equal x at 16. X equal minus 16. Result point coordinate minus 16 0. Intersect equation D y axis equation. D intersect y. Yx equal fx equal x at 16. Write D. X equals 0 is the equation of axis y. Y0 equal f0 equals 0 at 16 equals 16. B. Coordinate 0 16. Table variation 32. X belong minus infinity infinite minus 16 0. Limit minus infinite limit infinite infinite. Sign left minus, sign right plus. Plot for the right D. X at 16. Limit x tend infinite. Limit x tend minus infinite. Fx equal limit x tend minus infinite x at 16 equal minus infinite. Result point em coordinate minus infinity infinite. Limit x tend infinite fx equal limit x tend infinite x at 16. Replace x infinite infinite at 16 equal infinite. Result n coordinate infinite infinite. Module explained. Module x at 16. X at 16. For x belong minus infinite 0. Negative. X at 16 negative. Minus positive. Minus x at 16. For x belong minus infinite minus 16. 0 for x equal minus 16. For x belong minus 16 infinite. X at 16 positive. Result module x at 16 equal x at 16 for x belong minus 16 infinite. Case 1. X belong minus infinite minus 16. Module x at 16 greater 0 minus x at 16 greater 0 multiply minus 1. X at 16 less 0 x less minus 16 x belong minus 16 infinite. Solution. Case 2. X belong minus infinite infinite. Module x at 16 equal x at 16. X at 16 module greater 0, x at 16 greater 0, x belong minus 16, x2 belong minus 16 infinite. The general solution, modul x mai mare, x greater 0 is x1 meeting x2 equal minus infinite infinite meeting minus infinite infinite equal r minus 0. General solution. For x equal 0, for equal 0, 16 0 minus 16 0. For x equals 16, 0, major 0, impossible. solve application number 66G. Solve for R, set real number, modul x minus 3 multiply modul x at 6 minus 2 major greater 0. Modul explained. Table 33, x below minus infinity infinity, for x minus 3, x equal 3, 0, limit minus infinity, limit infinity infinite, sign minus, left sign plus, right. For x, gx equal x at 6, for x equal minus 6, 0, limit minus infinity, infinite, minus left of plus right. Solve interval for x belong minus infinity minus 6 modul x minus 3 equal minus plus modul x at 6 equal minus x minus 6 modul x minus 3 multiply modul x at 6 minus 2 greater 0 minus x minus 3 multiply minus x at 6 minus 2 greater 0 minus x at 3 multiply minus x minus 6 minus 2 greater 0 3 minus 6 multiply minus 6 minus 8 greater 0 minus x minus 3 multiply minus 1 x at I greater 0 x minus 3 multiply x at I greater 0 x minus 3 3 minus 6 minus x minus 3 minus x minus 3 greater 0 greater 0 greater 0 minus infinite minus infinite minus 8 reunit interval 3 infinite. Intersect minus infinity minus 6 result minus infinite minus 8 minus infinite minus 8. Solution. Case 2. X belong minus 6, 3. Modul x minus equal minus x minus 3. Modul x at 6 equal x at 6. Modul x minus 3 multiply modul x minus 6 minus 2 major 0 minus x minus 3 multiply x at 4 minus 0 multiply minus 1 x minus 3 multiply x at 4 less 0 x belong minus infinity infinity x minus 3 right d1 x up to right d2 right d1 multiply right d2 d1 x equal 3 equal 0 limit minus infinity infinite limit infinity infinite minus left plus right x at 4 equal 0 4x equal minus 4 limit minus infinity infinite limit infinity infinite minus left plus 4 product sign 0 0 minus minus plus minus plus minus minus plus plus minus x minus multiply x at 4 less 0 for x belong minus 4 3 intersect minus 6 3 solution minus 4 3 case 2 x belong 3 infinite module x minus 3 equal x minus 3 x minus 6 x minus 6 module x minus 3 multiply x minus 6 minus 3 greater 0 x minus 3 multiply x minus 6 at 2 equal 0 x minus 3 multiply x at 4 major 0 for x belong minus infinite minus 4 reunit 3 infinite intersect 3 infinite result 3 infinite the general equal x1 x1 meeting x2 meeting x3 x1 minus infinite 8 minus infinity meeting minus 4 3 meeting 3 infinite general solution